sometimes you gotta do it. Look, I put my life into this music, and you can hear my beat when I walk, hear the feet when I walk through the streets of New York. And you niggas can't survive on these streets. I swear to God, just me and my 2 fists, no heat. Look, capiche? A nigga been a beast. A nigga switch the style. I'm a motherfucking boss. Like, get that work and a nigga get it off. Like, six sticks, no cough, no choke at all, no joke at all. This here is real life. I put my blood in that pen and I hit the pattern right. Like, get it right, my nigga, never that wrong. Like, to the left, better yet my right hand. Oh, that's my right hand man. And that thing in his right hand, automatic, and that thing won't jam. Hit your face, feel like damn. That'll hurt there. Look, no pill, and I'ma put in work there. Put in work from the rear. Love it when I'm tucking on your head. Yes, bosses, and we all here like. So that's what matters. My pocket's getting fatter, and I'm up on Jupiter. A bad bitch that's cuter than my last. Like, I'm all about this cash and you know the slogan. Teamwork make the dream work, and we like the dream team. Sorta like Jordan, this be a Magic, and he could be Elijah Wan, and he could be Bird, and that's my motherfucking word. I swear to God, no more living on the curb. We taking trips all around the world. A couple of us, we holding down girls, and we holding down our kids.
Showing action like some birds, and we got a whole bunch of women sitting under linen, and the waves still swimming, still grinning, still winning. Cut it in or cut it out shit, they know nothing about this. The haze through 7 days, lungs on that loud shit. On the new day, you can smell me coming. Taking my time of life, I'm trying to get my fun in. Good vibration, shit, knowledge it, polish it. Full scholarship, that's my heart raising free. Thank you from the bottom of my heart, there ain't no change in me, plain to see. One commitment insufficient, hoes, fishing, rhymes, itching. Won't catch folks slipping. Wittiest and grittiest, stand on my toes. See my stash and they love me. Despite my discovery, they like, fuck the past, let's make love to the future. Get cash, quick, fast, bitches. More O's, more foes, more ditches. More control you hold, this hold, the more snitches. They know I'm on cruise control on the road to vision.
Chill. So now we just moving out. Pack the bags up, now we gotta take the route. We gotta get the cash, now we gotta make it slow. The fast cash can't make it, but now where we go? Now this shit is going, so now I'm thinking like the boss. Now I gotta stack my cash up, no more taking losses. Nah, I can't do it. Nah, see, I can't afford it. No kids, but I'm live like it's not over. No kids, but I'm live like I got 100. And I don't kid, I mean I gotta put it in their stomachs. Each and every one, gotta have food every night, so I'll move cool like a snake do. But never snake like, nah, never snake type. Never bite you and stab you in the back, that ain't that right.
When the streets keep calling, hard not to answer, all in till my stacks tallin'. Chicks used to say I'm good for nothing, back crawling, falling. Now all of us with no time for play. Hey, the streets keep calling, hard not to answer, we all in till the stacks tallin'. Chicks used to say I'm good for nothing, back crawling, falling. Now all of us with no time for play. Hey, the streets keep calling.